Low respectable audience, I have a question for you. 2 power 4 plus 6 raised to power 4 plus 8 raised to power 4 plus 10 raised to power 4, and we have to find sum of these numbers. So let us start it. I can write 2 power 4 plus 2 times 3 whole power 4 plus 2 times 4 power 4, and it can be written as 2 times 5 power 4. Now we have a rule that if EV for n, we can write it E for n times V for m. So 2 power 4 as it is plus 2 power 4 times 3 power 4 plus 2 times 4 times 4 times 4. 2 times 4 times 5 times 4. Now we can take common. It will be 2 power 4. Here is no left, so we will write 1 plus 3 power 4 plus 4 raised to power 4 and plus 5 raised to power 4. No, 2 raised to power 4 is 16. 1 plus 3 power 4 plus 2 raised to power 16 4 raised to power 4 plus 2 raised to power 4 is 16 times 5 or 4. It will become 16. 1 plus 3 raised to power 4 is simple. It is 81 plus 16. We can write 4 raised to power 4 as 4 or 2 times 4 raised to power 2 plus 16, times, and we can write it 5 power 2 times 5 power 2. So 16, it is 82 plus 16, it's 16 times 16 plus 16, it's 25 times 25. It's 16, and we can write 50 plus 30 plus 2, and it is 16 times 16. With 16 squared, we can write it 256 plus 16 And 25 square is 625. 16 times 50, 6 fives are 80, so it will be 800. 60 are 48, so it will be 480. And 6 twos are 32. Plus, we can write it 16 at 200 plus 56, and it's 16. It will be, it's 600 plus 25. Okay, now it is 800 plus just 1280 plus 32 plus 3200, and it is 16 times 56. It is 9600, and 16 times 25. It is 1312 plus 3200 plus 60, and 56 can be written as 50 plus 6 plus 9600, and it can be written as 20 plus 5. So it will be 1312 plus 3200 plus 60 times 50, it will be 800, and 16 times 6, 96, plus 9600. Now 16 times 20, it will be 320, and 16 times 5, it will be 80. Here is simplification. 32 plus 8, it will be 4000 plus 96, and 9600 plus 400. Now 1312 plus 4096, and it's 10,000. Now we add these three numbers, so 10,000 is greatest, 4096, and 1312. So we will add these three numbers, 6 plus 2, 8, 9 plus 1, 10, and 1 carry, it will be 4, and 4 plus 1 will be 5, and here is 1. So our answer will be equal to 15,408. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.